In this list, we've reviewed the best 4K camcorder available in the market. Through extensive research, I have put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's performance price or its particular use, we have got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like, video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Sony FDR-AX53/B HD camcorder. Many valuable features make this camcorder an excellent choice for anyone who wants a budget device. It has a 3-inch LCD touchscreen with a Boss image stabilization. There is a 16.6 megapixel lens with an Exmor-R sensor for excellent 4K recording. Users also get a Zeiss lens with 30x image zoom in 4K and 20x optical zoom in 4K. Try out various functions such as the night shot, 4K time-lapse, Wi-Fi, NFC, and more. Canon XA40 camcorder. The lightweight design of this camcorder makes it easy to carry around for long periods. It has a detachable handle that is great for low-angle shooting. Users have access to several recording modes, and the HDMI terminal on this camcorder allows connection to an external HDD or SSD recorder for conversion to DNX and ProRes formats. It features a 20x HD optical zoom lens, dual SD slots for increased storage functionalities, and an advanced 4K UHD CMOS Pro image sensor. There is an external microphone holder, but this is only useful when the handle is attached to the camcorder. Did you find anything that passed your preferences? If you did, then click the link in the description box to catch these items that are the best offer. Let us know if you have a product in mind that you would like to see in our next video. Write our comments and suggestions, and our research team will work their best to give you a fair and square product review. If you want to be a part of our growing community, then click the bell icon by doing, so you can also get the chance to more of our videos. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope everyone has a great day, and until next time, I will see you guys later.